Now, I believe we are all gathered here today to also focus about the future of the North. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as I begin to conclude, I need to raise another important issue: the future of the North and its people. What kind of future do we wish to leave behind? Considering the world of the 21st century, where knowledge is the greatest capital, how will the North survive without quality and purposeful education? Looking at our demographics, what is our vision of the future? By United Nations projections, Nigeria will be 300 million in 2030 and well over 400 million in 2050, which will make it the third most populated country after India and China. How do we feed this population? If today we are battling with grain deficits, how do we educate this population and provide health care? How do we provide jobs for the teeming youth in their hundreds of millions? These are the critical questions we need to address, for these are the big issues for every community around the world today. We have to face them and deal with them or resign to the consequences, and God forbid. The competitive environment of the 21st century will not accept complacency. It will not accept absentee leadership. And worst of all, it will not accept a leadership without vision or direction. And I believe Nigerians will not do, especially the North. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have to brace up. We don't have much time. In my closing appeal, this short speech, I would like to appeal to our sense of responsibility as Northern leaders, to reconsider our priorities and rise up to the numerous challenges facing the North. We have seen how the North remembers its true leaders, like Sir Ahmadu Bello, gone for a long time but still remembered every day. Let's ask ourselves, how would we like to be remembered after we have gone? As people who made the necessary sacrifices for the rest of us, or as people who seized the opportunities and only buttered their bread? If there is any time for the North to unite, it is now and it is today, not tomorrow. And it is my ardent hope that we should resist those trying to divide us along ethnic and religious lines and rise above these differences. Look at the challenges on the horizon and come together as the one people we have always been. May God guide us aright as we endeavor to deliver on our responsibilities. I thank you all for listening, and I thank the leadership of the ACA for organizing this anniversary celebration. God bless you all. Thank you for the journey so far. It is my singular honor and privilege to present the book to you. It is a historical document. Particularly, some of the observations I made, I believe, are contained in this book. Thank you very much.